Hey, how's it going, everybody? Thanks a lot for joining me for another video. Got some beer in the mail today from my buddy Lee. So thanks a lot, man. Really appreciate you sending these beers out to me. And I figured do a beer mail unboxing. You know, ain't done one in a few years now. Haven't been trading beers as much as I used to. Me and Lee occasionally send beers to each other, but it's been quite a while. So yeah, I sent him some. He sent me a few. He moved to Vancouver area about, I think, 2 years-ish ago. And he's been enjoying the beers out there quite a lot. Kind of jealous, honestly. I think he said he's pretty close to like just tons of these breweries. So yeah, excited to try some British Columbian beers. So without further ado, let's get it opened up and see what's inside. First off, I gotta say, really dig the box, Blasted Church. And it's got a bunch of sayings on there. Pour unto others as you would have them pour unto you. It's a nice philosophy. Sounds familiar though. Where do I know that from? All right, open this guy up. Come on. Man, quite a tape job you did there, bud. All right, finally opened. Let's go. Bunch of packaging. All right, here we go. First one we got is from Phillips Brewing, the Old Familiar English Dark Mild. Ain't had a mild ale in quite some time, so that's pretty cool. They're in Abbotsford, BC. I think I've had one or two of these guys' beers, but I forget exactly which ones. Never had this one, so pretty cool stuff. Yeah, Ravens Brewing Old Familiar. Sweet. Gonna have some virgin vodka, water. Next up, looks like Old Yale, their Irish Cream Imperial Stout. That's cool. I've had a few of Old Yale's stouts and really enjoy them every time I've had them. I haven't had one in like 5 years, but I remember them making really good beers. Yeah, this is cool. Seasonal limited release beer, Irish Cream Imperial Stout. That's pretty neat. Yeah, can't wait to try that one out. And then we've got, let's see here, excuse me, what is this? Lupolo Brewing Company. This is a Lemoncello sour ice. That's cool. I actually have a bottle of Lemoncello in my bar, so yeah, that's neat. 4.4%. So I'm guessing wild ale of some sort with lemon or something like that. That's rad. Can't wait to try that one out. Sounds right up my alley. And then we've got this guy, Four Winds. Nice. Big fan of Four Winds beers. Witty sisum. Wit beer with cantaloupe and honeydew. Damn. They're from Delta, BC. Nice can art. I didn't know Four Winds canned their beers. Or did I? I don't know. I forget. But yeah, that sounds really good. I think I might get into that one right away here. And then we've got another Old Yale beer, sweet. This is a cold brew black lager. That sounds great too. It's in a collaboration with Smoking Gun Coffee Roasters. Neat. Really neat. Now that winter time's coming, I've been making lots of coffee and coffee liqueur kind of cocktails, and I don't know, I really dig it. Summertime, never drink coffee, more of a tea guy, but wintertime is coffee time. Here we go, a dry hopped sour ale from Lil Beast Brewing out in Portland, Oregon. Oh, cool. Neat. I've been wanting to go to Portland and try all their breweries for quite a few years now, actually. Mandarina Bavaria dry hops. Nice. Should be good. I really dig that artwork, too. Looks very tiki-y, you know? It's pretty rad. Then, Parallel 49, Time Capsule, Centennial Lager. Do not open until 2021. Okay. Neat. What is this exactly? I'm guessing a lager with Centennial hops. No idea. Looks cool though. Put that there. Oh, there we go. And this guy. Let's take a look. Main Street Brewing presents Trouble Weighs a Ton. Export India Porter. So a hoppy porter, I'm guessing. Rad stuff. Yeah, sounds like just like a super hoppy porter. Nice. I'll have to look into it more because I'm just skimming the cans right now. Phillips Brewing and Malting Company. Big fan of Phillips. I've had quite a lot of their beers. I visited them like 5-6 years ago and really enjoyed that vacation. It was awesome. But this is the Eclipse Black Velvet Stout. That artwork looks pretty cool, gotta say. That looks neat. Neat. Put that there. And we've got a Florida Vice from Another Beer Co. Alright, cool. Mango Goji Berry Peach and Blood Orange Sour Ale. That's rad. That sounds like my kind of beer. Nice gator on there. That's cool. That's a cool can. Alright. And looks like there's 2 more left. We're looking at, oh shit, Oscar Blues 1050. Ain't had this beer in years. At least 6 years. That's awesome. I can't wait to try this beer out again. Big old Imperial Stout, and the can looks rad. That's a cool looking can. That's eye-grabbing. Oscar Blues knows how to market beers, that's for sure. They're pretty much pros at it. Weren't they the first craft beer to can their beers? Pretty sure. But yeah, man, I'm really looking forward to that beer. Neighborhood Brewing. Last up, Neighborhood Brewing's Freshy Fresh IPA. Let's see what this is. IPA with fresh Citra and Azaka hops. That sounds really cool. That sounds great. Big fan of both of those, especially Azaka. I've made an IPA a while back, and it was just dry hop with tons of Azaka, and it turned out really good. Okanagan craft beer. Wonder where. Penticton, BC. Nice. I have family out there. That's cool. Wicked. Well, tons of cool beers sent my way, courtesy of Lee. So thanks a lot, Lee, for sending these out to me. I can't wait to get these in a glass and in my tummy, you know. Yeah, these all look really good. Man, this cantaloupe sour, cantaloupe and honeydew wit beer. Okay, yeah, that sounds really damn good. So yeah, gonna get reviews of all these guys out as soon as I can. Probably in the next 2 weeks I'll have them all done. 2-3 weeks, something like that. But yeah, awesome. Thanks a lot, man. Hope you're enjoying your beer mail that I sent you. And yeah, thanks everyone for watching. Let me know which reviews you would like to see right away, and I'll try to get them out as soon as I can. And yeah, till the next time, cheers everybody. Gonna replace this guy.